Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, it has been a very long time since I uploaded a video on my channel. So, ngayon, mag-unbox tayo ng parcel for me. This is a gift from my husband. So, he wanted to give me MacBook. Pero, ayoko ng MacBook guys. I preferred iPad. So, I do have iPad before. But then, Olivia, my daughter, she wanted to play Roblox. So, gusto na niya angkinin yung old iPad ko. So, I decided to just have the iPad 10th Gen. So, ayan. To be honest, hindi pa siya supposed to be deliver for today. Pero, I insisted with the delivery rider na I have to have this now since it's my day off today. And, ayun na nga. Anyways, this is the package. Yan. Ayoko na lang nakita yung dito guys ha. Kasi it's a private matter. But anyways, let's do an unboxing for this item guys. Binili ko na lang siya sa Shopee since mas less hassle siya for me. And dun ako bumili sa trusted din na seller sa Shopee. So, ililink ko na lang yung link nila sa description down below. So, originally, daddy want me to get the MacBook lagi daw. So, since ayoko talaga ng MacBook guys, hindi ko siya bet or hindi ko siya prefer. Kasi nga, most of the time, gumagamit ako ng gadget while lying down. So, hindi siya convenient for me as compared to iPad. So, also guys, daddy said na papunta daw sila ng US. And then, he also wants me to get the MacBook there. So, parang ayoko talaga ng MacBook. Hindi ko talaga siya feel. So, he just let me order it on Shopee kasi nga, para magamit ko na daw din. So, ayun. That's why I have this. And then, yun na nga. Anyways, let's unbox this one. I'm very excited, guys. And kinuha ko pa siya sa, ano guys, sa parang bodega ng JNT. Kasi nga, supposed to be mamayang hapon pa siya. And, hindi ako nang maghintay ng mamayang hapon. So, yun na siya. I hope it's okay, diba? Kasi nga, but, I'm so happy. Anyways, quick story. For how many times na nag-ask si daddy na bumili ng MacBook. I don't know why, keep on insisting na bibili din ng MacBook. So, since the first time, nung last time na nag-offer siya na bibili ng MacBook, ayoko talaga guys. That's why, he ended up buying me another item, or different item. Kasi nga, ayoko na talaga na item. Here it is. So, very happy. I got the pink, by the way. Kasi nga, one of my favorite color is pink. So, yun. This one, like, before guys, I'm an impulsive buyer. So, whenever I want something, I ordered it right away. So, this one has been on my, cart for quite a while. Like, almost, a year na siya. So, I think it's, enough time na parang, gusto ko talaga siya to finalize my decision. Like that. And, I also wanted to wait sana na ma-release yung 11th gen so that this one would cost lower than today's cost, diba? Kasi for sure, like the iPad 9th gen, diba, binabaan nila yung price. Anyways, here it is. I think, hindi ba siya open? Hindi ba siya open, no? It has this thing. So, super happy, guys. Anyways, I'm using my phone to record this video kasi nga, nabenta ko na din yung aking camera. So, yung pagkabenta ng camera ko, like the Canon EOS M10, nabenta ko siya. So, binili ko siya ng Nintendo Switch. So, yan. Binili ko siya last year. Yun yung perang ginamit ko for the Nintendo Switch. So, daddy came. I think na-guilty siya kasi nga ginamit niya yung Nintendo Switch ko. Dinala niya sa work niya. So, I think this is the payment. Hindi naman din nagkakalayo yung price nila. Wait, I have to unbutton first my, kasi medyo sikip yung pants ko. Anyways, this is it. This is the iPad 10th generation Wi-Fi only, 64 gig. Kasi ito lang din yung price na afford ko or afford namin for the meantime. So, I think okay naman din tong 64 gig. Yan. My God. I've been watching a lot of videos, unboxing videos, mga reviews, ganyan-ganyan. So, yan. Finally, it's my turn. I hope hindi tayo mag-full storage, guys. Yay! My God. I'm super happy. By the way, yun pala yung box na ano ko, guys. Ang isang iPad ko. Ayan pa siya. Kinikip ko talaga yung mga boxes. Just in case, gusto kong ibenta, diba? Meron pang mga inclusions. So, ayan. Super duper excited. Oh my God. Wait. I hope it's fine, diba? Kasi, I'm a little bit worried, guys. Kasi, sa Shopee, matatrack mo kung asan na yung parcel mo, ganun. And it hasn't moved for 2 days, ganun. Okay. Let's put it here on the side. And then, ito na yung product. I'm very worried kasi baka ma-scam ako, ganun, or hindi naman, di ba? So, ayun na siya. Yung gustong-gusto ko dito na feature is that yung camera niya, yung front-facing camera niya is andito na sa side. So, whenever you want to have a video call and landscape mode, hindi ka na, like, sa kabilang side titingin. Ano siya? Oh my god! I'm very happy. OMG! It's finally here. As you guys can see, I'm just filming on my phone. Anyways, bumili na din ako ng mga accessories na kasama niya. So, na-need pala ng iPad. Kasi nga, you have to protect the iPad kasi hindi siya basta-basta ng pera, diba? It's, by the way, nabili ko siya ng 8,490 sa Shopee. Kasi nga, 19,900 or 21,000 yung original price niya. Meron kasi mga vouchers and everything. So, ayan. Bumili na ako ng protector, ng screen protector, ng case, para just, diba? Much better ng handa. And this one, this parcel, yung mga accessories niya, kakadating lang din kanina. So, I pick it up at my workplace kasi dun siya naka-adjust. So, bumili na din ako ng tempered glass for my phone kasi nga, natanggal na yung ano ko. And then, I also bought this one. Yeah, this one is a clear case lang. This one is from Shopee as well. I find it convenient to shop on Shopee, guys, kasi kahit anong need mo, like kahit anong gusto mong bilhin, andun sa Shopee. And makakalas talaga, especially if you're buying it with vouchers, ganun. So, ayan. This one is the case. I prefer the clear one so that the beauty of the pink will show off pa din, diba? And then, I also buy this tempered glass. So, ilalagay ko na yung tempered glass, guys, kasi habang wala pa masyadong dust dito sa iPad. I'm very happy, guys. Like, has been my dream. So, by the way, posting this online, this unboxing video, means it doesn't mean na nagbabrag or anything. I just wanted to share. Kasi nga, ako, as a person, guys, naging inspired din ako to work hard, really hard, and to save a lot of money to get the things that I have now, or I'm getting. So, this one, it's not included kasi nga, binili naman to ni Daddy. Si Daddy yung, ano nito. I think, bayad niya to sa, ano, sa Nintendo Switch. Anyways, nililinisin ko lang siya para walang dust so that walang bubbles. Yan. Anyways, yun lang. I'm very happy. Really, really happy, guys. And then, the number 2, which is the dry wipe. Super duper excited for my parcel today. Ayan. So, I hope ma-install natin siya ng bongga, diba? Para walang bubbles. Lalagyan na natin siya. Para iwas scratch. Ganun. So, paiba-iba yung kulay ng ano ko, guys, ng phone ko or ng camera ko. Kasi nga, hindi well lighted yung area na to. So, I have to just maximize what I have. Wala na din akong ring light, guys, kasi nasira na siya. And, yan. Just bear with me. Okay? Anyways, this video is not a brag. Just to inspire others to work hard, to really save, and to be more practical with everything you purchase online. I'm a big fan of Shopee, guys, and my workmates know that so well. I'm the queen of Shopee in her department. And, ayun. Lahat talaga, like, everything I own is from Shopee. So, salamat Shopee, diba? Anyways, yun. Wala siyang yung parang pang dust collector. Yeah. This one. It says, peel off this before application. So, ayan siya. Diba? Sa screen niya, dito na yung kanyang, like, for the camera. Anyways, let's do it. I hope I can put it properly. It's so hard. Wait, sorry, I think it's not properly installed. Asa naman yun? Sabi, wait. Uy, wait sa Jude. It's so hard, guys. Malaki kasi siya masyado. Oh my God, it's so hard. Is it okay? Okay. It's running. I hope walang bubbles, guys, kasi oh my God, meron a little bit. So So you have to wipe it. I decided to put it right away kasi nga baka magkaroon pa ng super duper dust. Oh my god, meron siyang bubbles. I cannot. Pero eventually guys, mawawala din yan. Ay, uy, hindi siya perfect. Anyways, that's that. Excited. It's gonna be a long video kasi nga that's why I want to upload this on YouTube. Kasi nga on TikTok, meron mga time limit ba? Guys, I'm super excited. Hindi pa siya na-on. Ayan, meron siyang konting bubbles dyan. But, we're gonna be working on that later. Anyways, let's turn it on. Okay. So happy. I think you have to get another layer na. Apa ni cellophane? Apa ba ni cellophane eh? Hello. So happy. Anyways, wait lang. Get something. I also buy this one pala. This one. So that meron akong iPad stander. Meron naman akong ganito. Pero ito kasi for dito to sa workstation ko. Here on my table. But this one, lagyan na din natin tong ano guys, case. Oh my god! Super happy. I think we need to feel something from inside. Meron ba itong something. Yan, hindi siya. Like, medyo hanap man. Anyways, let's put it here. Para mas protected ang ating iPad. Oh my god! So excited. Anyways, swipe to open. Ayan, English. This one is basic setup for every Philippines. Okay, continue. Diba? Meron na kaming wifi dito sa bahay. By the way, just to share, our house has been Wi-Fi-less for how many years? So, set up ko muna guys, and then I'll get back to you. Hi guys, so my iPad has been starting up. So, while waiting for that, let's do the rest. So, for most iPhone or iPad product or Apple product, so ayan, meron siyang ganito, I think mga warranty cards, mga terms and conditions, ganun, mga... So, ayan, meron siyang mga ganito. iPad, like this. Medyo, ano na siya? Hindi na siya masyadong maraming papel. Like that. Yun lang. Yun lang yung kasama niya. Wala na siyang Apple sticker. They don't have the Apple sticker na. So, ayan. Yun na lang yun. But, and then, we have this Type-C to Type-C cable charger. Yan. And also this one. The brick. So, ito yung excited ako kasi nga, I have the other kind of charger. And this one is, I think, much better and high voltage, I think. Yung appropriate talaga sa iPads. So, ayan. Yung kanyang, ano pala guys, yung kanyang wire is medyo textured siya. So, yeah, that's everything that includes here in the box. So, ayan. I'm very happy with this purchase. Ayan. I'm very happy. Diba? It says, welcome to iPad. Ayan. This is how it looks like, guys. So, ayan. Parang change ko pa yung kanyang wallpaper and everything. So, I decided to create a new Apple ID or like email for this kasi para di mag-sync yung mga photos since it has 64 gig only guys. So, for you to tell if it's legit, diba? As I can see from other videos na chine-check if legit yung product since sa Shopee ko siya binili and some of you might wonder if it's legit in Shopee, ganon. So, one of the technique na alam ko para ma-check yung legitimacy ng product ng Apple is that you have to go to the settings sa general, dito sa general, and then sa about. So, as you guys can see here, I don't know if I'm allowed to, like, share this with you. Pero yung nakikita kong model number, I think yung serial number lang naman yung not allowed to show. So, cover ko na lang siya with this specific paper. As you guys can see, guys, yan. Yung model number niya is MPQ33PP/A. So, that specific model number is considered as legit iPad. Like, I think parang nabili talaga siya sa authorized reseller ng Apple products. So, ito yun din yung model number. Starts with letter M. Yung gamit ko sa phone. Ay, yung andito sa phone ko. Since I bought this phone of mine second hand from my classmate. So, that's the basic, and it has a limited warranty. So, it expires on February 26, 2026. So, that's next year. So, diba? Legit, guys. So, if you want to order or if you want to have your own Apple products, i-link ko down in the description box below kung saan kayo legit na makakabili ng mga Apple products, guys. So, yun. I also wanted to get the Apple Pencil, yung mga ganun. Pero yung sa Shopee lang, guys, lang, hindi yung mga legit na Apple Pencil talaga. Kasi gusto ko din mag-draw. Pero, napag-isip-isipan ko, guys, na parang ito din yung mga Apple products or Apple accessories na binili ko last time na hindi ko naman din nagamit. Pero nagamit siya ng kapatid ko. So, okay na din yun. Pero, as for now, hindi ko pa rin siya like, nakikitang magagamit ko siya. So, hindi ko muna siya in-order. So, I just ordered the basic needs for my iPad. So, basically, the case, the screen protector, and I also buy this one. Pero I don't recommend this one for your iPad since it's not sturdy enough. Kasi nabibend siya like this, oh. I don't know how can I adjust the tightness of the bolt that comes with this one. Kasi, ano siya, guys. Hindi siya nagsistand. Well, kung ganito, wait. Okay naman din pala. Pero, yan. Yun siya sa likod. Diba? Oo, nagbe-bend siya. So, it's not a... I hope you guys enjoy. So, sa mga nagbabalak dyan, sa mga need ng Apple products, I will be linking it down below in the description box kung saan yung mga legit shop on Shopee. So, this one, this specific shop that I went on Shopee, dalawang beses akong nakapag-purchase sa kanila ng product, guys. So, it's a very legit shop. And, ayun, nag-offer din sila ng mga installments just in case you don't have enough money for that specific item. So, you can install it up to 12 months. Meron din sila mga promos na 0% interest for 12 months. Ganon. Just, abangan nyo lang kasi most probably, or like, mga sale nila is, yung mga sale sa Shopee, like 2-2 sale, 3-3 sale, ganon. So, meron silang mga ganong, promos. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and find it helpful. So, I'm not bragging, I'm not bragging on this content. I just wanted to share my excitement, my thoughts about shops that I'm particular shop na pinagbibilhan ko online. And also, I just wanted to have this video posted online just in case I wanted to gather memories or parang gusto ko siyang balikan, diba? Ay mga moments like this, it's not that special. Pero, diba, at some point of your life na nagkaroon ka ng mga ganitong moments. And, yun, gusto ko lang siyang meron akong mabalik-balikan in the near future. Kung gusto ko man siyang i-reminisce. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. So, I hope makapag-video pa ako after this or makapag-post pa tayo ng more videos on this channel. I miss you guys so much. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on TikTok. Siguro magpo-post tayo ng mga videos doon. But for today, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!